We're back, and it's the time to learn how to use Unreal. Okay, to do that, we need to download the Epic Game Launcher, and from the Epic Games Launcher, which is basically your library of Epic Games stuff. From there, you can download Unreal Engine 5. Okay, let's access Google here, and let's type Unreal Engine. Or we can get back to Google and type Unreal. Look at this, www.unrealengine.com or www.unrealengine.com. You can even erase the rest of it. Okay, unrealengine.com. Cool. Here we are inside the website of Unreal Engine. That is one of the projects of Epic Games. The main page, you can basically see a video all done in Unreal Engine 5 using the Lumen system, fracture system that we call Gales. It basically breaks the geometry. This simulates geometry physics breaking. You can get to know more about the tool here, softwares, films, TV series, games. They are developed with the Unreal Engine 5. A little more about the tool, developers, content. Okay, let's download Unreal Engine 5. Cool. So you can just click download. And here you have the terms to download Unreal Engine 5. The license option of this type, it is for a project that has reached, usually in games, that has reached the highest level of revenue. Unreal takes 5% of royalties from that revenue. In this case, that is our case. For architecture, normally we're not going to distribute this project, okay, as a game. So normally we're not gonna make a revenue from this. So you can use this. There's no limits. And yeah, okay. So you can download this. Okay, so if you have an account here on Epic Games, you can log in. If you don't have one, it's okay. You can create another a new one. Okay, so let's get it step by step. Select how you want to assign this. Well, we want to assign with an Epic email account. Okay, and it's even important that you create this Epic Games email account because you're also going to use it to download assets for free and pixel resources. Okay, so don't forget to use this here, the access with the Epic Games. Okay, logging with Epic Games email account. Okay, right here you're gonna put your country, in my case Brazil, first name, last name, the name that you want to show. Okay, my first name is Dennis, last name Gandra. I want to appear like Dennis Gandra. Yeah, or you can put another name. You can put like another name, DG, Davis. Okay, cool. So meanwhile, I'm gonna put it like this. Your email address, okay? It's very important in your main email. That is where you're going to confirm your access here, okay? You can type it here. You can create your password. You're gonna mark if you want to receive news or special offers from Epic Games, new games. Okay, in my version I marked this. and if you agree with the terms of service. And let's continue. Okay, it was sent an authentication code, okay, to the email that you registered, okay, that you subscribed, and you will see the code there. If you didn't receive on the main email, take a look on your spam folder, okay. I just verified my email. The code is 572214. And you will verify the email. Yeah. So as you can see, this is a free license to use, and it's 100% royalty free. You can see the use terms if you want. Yeah, and you mark this one if you want to receive news or not. Okay, and accept. In this moment, you're going to download the Epic Game Launcher. That is basically your library of stuff inside Epic Games. Select a place to download and save it. Click here after downloading, or you can go to the folder where you chose to save and open there. Okay, in this case, I'm going to click here. And it's going to get started installing. I'm going to install my here in C2. I'm going to leave it in the default location, okay? And let's do it. Let's see. Great, the installation is complete. You'll be directed to the home page automatically. If that doesn't happen, you can click here in Epic Games Launcher. It's interesting that you start from now on the Unreal Engine always here, okay? Let's go to Epic Games Launcher. How do you want to log in? With Epic Games account that we just created, okay? The email address, let's allow the access. Email address, great. We are now inside the Epic Games launch, okay? How about Epic Games? It's here in news, the homepage here, okay? Well, we have, in this case here, for example, today is the 28th of February, okay? We have some things here about Unreal Engine 5 in the preview version that is available now, games and images. On the left side here, we have the menu. We have the store where you can buy games, softwares, marketplace of Unreal Engine where you can buy the products that you have, that you bought. In my case, I have this other one. The Unreal Engine, that is where will be the things about Unreal Engine. So if I want to access things about Unreal Engine, I go here, Unreal Engine, and inside this I can see the news, learn, store, that is the marketplace of Unreal, assets, products, news, free things. Every beginning of month, Epic Games puts and makes resources available for free to developers. Sometimes there's vegetation, sometimes there are things for architecture, sometimes there are effects for games, okay? Here inside the Epic Games Launcher, you also have the DV's products inside the Unreal Marketplace. You can type here, DV's. Look at this. You can find the DV's products, okay? You want some architecture's products, you just type it so that you can see these products here, okay? Here in library, we can find all the versions of the Unreal Engine that you have on your computer, okay? You have the versions of Unreal Engine. We'll talk about it soon. Probably your is going to be empty because you don't have any of this. We have the project here. In my case, these are the projects that I'm making in the Viz. In your case, it is probably empty, okay? And you have the save here that are all the products, packages, assets that you bought here in the marketplace of Unreal. They will be shown here for you, okay? In your save. Okay? In our case, it is also empty, probably. Let's get back here. You can realize that I already have this Unreal Engine, the 5 version, the other version here, and this other one as well. This course here is a Unreal Engine 5 course, okay? Okay, I already have the version here, the Unreal 5, but it's old, okay? It is the early access version that Unreal made available in 2021. I'm going to download with you the new version of Unreal Engine 5, that is the preview version 1. To do this, in our case, it's going to be empty. How do you add an Unreal Engine version? Well, we're going to click here on this plus, and automatically it's going to show you a version that is available, okay? It's going to consider the most current version you don't have of Unreal Engine, okay? In my case here, I already have the 4.27, 4.24, okay, correct? Well, I have these both, and I also have this one, the 5.0. The latest version of the ones that I don't have is this one, 4.26. In case I didn't have this version, 4.27, it will be shown here, the 4.27, okay? If there is the version 4.28 and I don't have this here, it would be shown here, okay? If I have a lot of versions here and the latest version is the one that I don't have, is for example the 4.21, it would be shown here 4.21. And if you want to change the version, you're going to click here and you're going to choose the other version of Unreal Engine that you want to install. In our case, in 2022, 28th February, that is the day that I'm recording this class here, the latest version of Unreal is the 5.0 version, okay? Preview, yeah. Okay, so in 2022, we're going to installing this version, 5.0 preview. Let's select this and let's click right here, install it. You're going to agree. You're going to read and agree or not with the terms of installation, accept. Unreal is saying that it is a test version. It is not the official version yet, but it's the latest version that we have here. So install it. You're going to choose the place that where you want to install it. I'm gonna leave it like default, okay? If you don't want to install it here, you can put another place, it's okay. If everything's okay, just click right here, install it. Yes. And now we just have to wait because Epic Games Launcher will download this version automatically. We'll configure the files, we'll install it, and everything's gonna be ready, okay? As the other ones when it's finished, the installation. Let's leave it like this, installing. Okay, it will be 19 gigabytes to install the software. So when it gets finished, we're going to get back here and finally we're going to get into the Unreal Engine and keep going with the course. See you.